Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. After an active night with some thunderstorms for central and northern New York, we're going to keep an eye to the sky and on interactive Doppler radar because at times today we'll probably need to use it again. Now, we're looking ahead today, and I know this graphic looks like it's raining all the time, but that's certainly not the case. There's going to be a chance of a shower thunderstorm early mid-morning, especially north of the Thruway and east of Lake Ontario. Elsewhere, it's partly sunny. And with a mix of sun and clouds today, we're likely to pop up a threat for scattered showers and storms. In fact, as we get into the midday and afternoon, there's a higher probability today during the daylight hours of getting showers and storms than there was yesterday during the day. And there should be some leftover showers and storms this evening as well. You can see we're getting enough sunshine to get into the 80s for the second straight day. This is unseasonable, folks. The normal high is 70. Yesterday we got to 82. I think we'll get to 80 to 85 again today and possibly tomorrow. If we do get that today and tomorrow, that would be a trio of 80s. We haven't seen that since mid-September. Besides the unseasonable warmth, it is an active pattern because not only are we going to see sun, but I've mentioned that we're going to get some scattered showers and storms again today. There's likely to be some tonight at times, some tomorrow, some Thursday as well. The trend is perhaps for us to have a little bit of leftover wet weather on Friday. We'll see just how much we'll get. It will be cool this weekend, but right now it looks like for the three-day holiday weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it should be dry. That's the way it looks right now. Well, during the day today, it's one of those mixed type days, a combination of clouds and sunshine, an opportunity for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm at any point, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get one or two passing ones today. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s today with high humidity considering the time of year. Showers and storms this evening, then patchy fog, and then we look at tomorrow. We kind of do the same thing again. Patchy fog, a combination of sun and clouds, possibility of a scattered thunderstorm threat. The probability is a smidge lower, but for all intents and purposes, it's about the same and still over 50% tomorrow. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s, again 10 to 15 degrees above normal. We're still in the warm sector of air on Thursday. The difference on Thursday is I don't think we're going to see quite as much sunshine, which probably means for us not getting into the 80s, although I can't completely rule it out. Showers and storms are very likely on Thursday as a front comes through. Here's a look at the sunshine forecast. Total sunshine today, 40%. Total sunshine tomorrow, about 50%, and 20% on tap for Thursday. Here's that precipitation probability. Now, these are pretty high numbers when you consider showers and storms. You know, sometimes when you have it in the summer, we say, there's an opportunity for a shower thunderstorm. You may recall yesterday I said there was only a 1 in 3 shot for one during the day, and that worked out well. If you also recall yesterday, I had mentioned that during the nighttime and today, tomorrow, Thursday, there would be a higher probability, between 55 and 75% chance, and that is still in the forecast. Now, Friday has been kind of back and forth. First, our computer model said dry. Then some of them said very, very wet. Now it's kind of in between. I'm going to still throw in a little bit of leftover rain Friday and see what happens. Of course, the most important part of the forecast, I would assume for everybody, would be what happens for the holiday weekend. For those of you that don't have to work, you're probably considering plans outdoors. Well, right now it looks dry, although compared to what we have been having and what we'll have again today and tomorrow, that's chilly with temperatures in the lower 40s to start Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and only lower to middle 50s expected Saturday, Sunday. Maybe we'll get back to 70 on Memorial Day. Here are some local temperatures for you. Temperatures today away from the lake shores and away from the North Country should break 80 again. And you can see those 80s stretch to the south as well and all the way down into Florida. Here's the big picture. You can see the remnants. Those were those ridiculously devastating tornadoes there in Moore, Oklahoma. Just awful stuff. You can find more on our website at cnycentral.com.